Good evening, sir. This is my explanation about properties of fuel. Viscosity. Viscosity is refers to the resistance of fluid to flow and is a measure of its internal friction. It is determined how easily a fluid can be deformed as sheared. It can be measured in units such as Pascal seconds or poise. There are two types of viscosity: dynamic viscosity, which measure resistance to shear, and kinetic viscosity, which considers density and gravity. Viscosity depends on factors like temperature, pressure, and fluid compression. Some fluids have constant viscosity, while others exhibit varying viscosity with shear stress. Specific gravity. Specific gravity is a measurement that compares in the density of a substance to the density of water. It provides information about the relative density of materials and is commonly used in various industries. Specific gravity values indicate whether substance is less than or denser than water. Specific gravity is a temperature dependent and is reported at specific temperature for accurate comparison. Ignition quality. Ignition quality refers to how well a fuel can ignite and burn in an internal combustion engine. Gasoline engine use the octane rating to the measure ignition quality, which indicate the fuel resistance to knocking. Higher octane fuel have better ignition quality and are less prone to knocking. Diesel engine use the CT number to measure ignition quality, which representing the fuel ability to ignite quickly and completely. Ignition quality is a measure of how easily and effectively a fuel can ignite and burn an engine, which the octane rating for gasoline engines. Flashpoint. Flashpoint can have different meaning depending on the context. In the context of flammable liquid, it refers to the lowest temperature of which a substance vapor can ignite in firefighting. In the nuts, the temperature at which a fire likely to ignite or flash over in a enclosed space. In a physiological context, it refers to the threshold at which intense emotion trigger an outburst. Sulfur content. Sulfur content refers to the amount of sulfur present in a substance, particularly fuels, is regulated due to an environmental and health impact when burned, leading to the formation of sulfur dioxide and contributing to air pollution and acid rain regulation. Limit sulfur content to in fuel to mitigate these effects. Measuring sulfur content is done through various analytical techniques, and it's typically expressed as a percentage or parts per million. Lowering sulfur content its fuel improves air quality, reduces harmful emission, and enable cleaner and more efficient combustion process. Sulfur content may also be relevant in materials and product affecting factors such as strength and corrosion resistance.